Where do I make a square?
Alright, so for today's video, I will be trying out Gimp for the very first time. I can already tell you I didn't know much of anything about it. I literally thought this was a software or just a website that helps you manipulate photos. I didn't know anything about it. So let's get right into the video. Before the video does start, I would like to say that I do play video games and I live stream right here on this channel Thursday through Sunday. So if you have any further questions or you just want to come hang out, come stop by. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, this looks terrible. Okay, to fill you guys in, today I'm going to be making just a concept for fun. I'm going to be making a Hornets graphic because that was the first thing that popped up on my Instagram. So I already have a picture of, yes, LaMelo Ball, and we're going to see what I can put together, and I hope it doesn't turn out too bad, but man, whatever this brush presets I'm seeing on this right side of my screen right now is not looking too appealing. Figure this out myself. I just want to drag a picture in. Wait, can you? Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, guys. My standards for this software is like super low. So I'm not expecting to be impressed at all. Or in Instagram, sorry, in my opinion. So let's duplicate. Let's see how easy it is to get it from one to the other. Okay, so I duplicated it and I can't just send it to the other file like you can in Photoshop. Oh man, this is about to be a task. Okay, delete that layer. So can I like, oh, okay. Man, I will say the one thing I hate the most about the software, only like a minute or two in, is I hate how boring everything looks. It looks like, oh man, it looks so robotic and gray and just depressing. Okay, where's the shape tool though? You have all that, but where are the shapes? Where are the shapes? Editing. Dude, I'm literally at a loss. Like where? Okay, I hate it already, dude. I literally, step one, I can't even make a square, bro. Wait, do I have to make a new layer? Okay, you can hit backspace. All right, yo, I hate this software already. Okay, so can I word? All right, so we have that looking good. Why is there so many lines, bro? What is going on here? Okay, so can we clip mask this picture down to that square? That's what I need to do. That is like the base of this whole graphic. Dude, I literally... Bro, yo, bro, I can't with this software. What is going on? All I did was just make a selection. I can't hit backspace and just delete. Like, what is this? Bro, I literally can't get past step one. Like, I'm literally about to rage quit off of an editing software. This is crazy. Yeah, don't use Gimp. It's trash.